Alright, let's make some hoe cakes. I want this is just for a snack though. Let's make some hoe cakes for a snack. I want cornbread and milk. And what that takes is hoe cake and milk. A lot of people like their hoe cake and buttermilk. Listen, I got 2 large eggs right here. This is it for the wet ingredients. 2 large eggs. Then I've got 1 1/4 cup buttermilk. Now you don't have to use buttermilk. You can use whole milk. You can use skim milk. You can use any kind of milk you so desire. Okay, and then you want to put a little bit of cooking oil in that. Now hopefully you already have a skillet of pork grease, pork fat, heating up in a cast iron skillet over medium heat. Actually medium low heat actually. Alright, now whisk this up real quick. Alright, cooking oil. That was a 1/4 cup cooking oil, that last thing I put in there. Whisk. Whisk like there's no tomorrow. Alright, now set this one aside. Get your bigger bowl. Okay. You want 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Alright, now. Here it is, right down here. Okay. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then you're going to want 1 cup cornmeal. It doesn't matter if it's white or if it's yellow. Alright. 1 cup cornmeal. Alright, there you go. Put it in the bowl. Alright. Put your cornmeal up so you can have room to do some other things. Alright, now, here we go. Let's get some more dry ingredients here. Alright. You want quarter cup sugar. Some people don't want that quarter cup sugar, but other people do. Depends on how big your sweet tooth is. That's a quarter cup sugar I just put in there. All right. Go ahead and put your, it's quarter teaspoon or a pinch of salt. Get that put up. Alright now. Alright. Then you want 4 teaspoons baking powder. One, 2, 3, 4. And let's get all that married up together. Alright, then what you do, listen to your dog bark for a while. No, that's not what you do. That's not what you do. You're going to fold now. You're going to fold the wet into the dry. Actually, the dry into the wet. So, set your dry over to the side. Actually, you're gonna, I was wrong about that. I was right the first time. Alright. Get that all mixed. Become a mixologist. Now take your milk batter, pour a little bit in there. Just a little bit now. Make sure the eggs really broke up. Alright, now. Oh. I want to put that up. You know what? I'll put that one thing up and I'm going to use it to form the hoe cakes. I need to get it back out. Well, hold on a second. Hold it. Where did it go? Where did I put it? It can't be very far from here. Oh, here it is. Alright, now. Let's go ahead and put some more in. And take your whisk and make sure you get as much of that dripping stuff down in there as you can. We got pork drippings heating up over in cast iron skillet. You don't have to use a cast iron skillet for these hoe cakes, but you sure can. Ain't nothing wrong with it. You want this kind of smooth, but kind of lumpy like pancakes. As a matter of fact, you're going to be surprised how much they're going to look like pancakes when they come out of there. Now, my ideal meal with a hoe cake is bacon, excuse me, is cabbage boiled down in bacon grease and hoe cake. That's my ideal meal for hoe cake snack. But I'm a tailor, as most of you know. And as tailors go, I have a stomach. I love hoe cakes and boiled cabbage, but my stomach don't. Yeah, I eat hoe cake and boiled cabbage, and what be like a coon I ate last night for supper, trying to crawl out my belly. Yeah, I inherited that problem. All right, here we go. I know. Well, I'm gonna put these cakes on. Y'all want to get a dish? Set them cakes on. All right, now what? My choice of what I pour on the hot grease with is a third cup measure. All right, and then I feel that pretty full. All right, turn your grease down low. All right, now throw these cakes in the grease. What I'm going to do, that seems a little thick to me, so I'm going to add just a little dab of buttermilk to that. Little dab, not much. Because you really don't want your batter as thick as if you're making cornbread. You know, going to put it in the oven. There we go. Now see, that's the right consistency. All right, let me turn this. This might still be good enough to eat. Yeah, looks like it's going to be. All right, that might have been, instead of a cup and a quarter buttermilk, cup and a half of buttermilk. You gotta understand, buttermilk's a little denser than regular sweet milk, so you might need a little more than. All right, let me check this cake out. Alright, I'm going to call that good. Now I'm going to go ahead and get another one going here. cow. Lord have mercy. Now another name for hoe cake is Johnny cake, corn cake. The name came from back in the pioneer days. Farmers had these big old hoes. Had these big old hoes, and what they do is they put cornmeal. They pick these up, and they put the cornmeal right on top of a hoe, and then on one side of the hoe, and then they would push it in over the fire in a fireplace. You know, kind of like this is a hoe, and I put cornmeal here, and then I put it over the fire, and that's how they became known as hoe cake. Hoe cake. All right, see, now there you go. Here's a hoe cake. There's a hoe cake for y'all. Gonna be good. Gonna be good. Yes, sir, Bobby. Gonna be good. I got an Uncle Bob, and whenever I do that, yes, sir, Bobby, I'd also go, yes, ma'am, Marie, because his wife is my Aunt Marie, so I would. All right, now, you know what? I'm gonna hurry up and. All right, I'm gonna get the rest of these done, but I'm gonna. I'm running out of time. I'm gonna show you something right here. All right, let me. I don't know if you need to be that close. Okay. Take a glass. Take a hoe cake. And break it up. And put it in milk. Or put it in a glass. Now I use sweet milk. A lot of people use buttermilk. A lot of people like to put salt and pepper in it. Okay, put a little bit of milk over that. What you got yourself some cornbread and milk for snack. See, watch this cornbread. Come out of there. Cornbread and milk for snack, huh? Oh my goodness. Make you want to smack your grandma. You won't want to smack my grandma, she'll smack you back. A whole bunch of times. Well, that's okay, y'all. Bye. Bye.